20 highly toxic things. Welcome to Toxic Tuesdays. Number 20, Deathstalker Scorpion, a scary name for a scary creature. This scorpion tends to be very aggressive and is equipped with a neurotoxic venom that can cause fever, paralysis, coma, and even death. Number 19, Flamboyant Cuttlefish. Flamboyant might be an understatement, as these creatures can change their color to reflect their moods from black or brown to yellow or red. They're also the only venomous cuttlefish. They carry a rare, highly potent toxin in the muscle tissue that makes them as deadly as the blue-ringed octopus. Number 18, Slow Loris. Don't let its cuddly looks or its Dr. Seuss name fool you. The loris is actually one of the only venomous mammals on the planet. When feeling threatened, the animal combines a powerful toxin released from the sides of its elbows and mixes it with saliva in its mouth. The toxin causes death by anaphylactic shock. Number 17, Boomslang. These snakes tend to avoid the spotlight, and it's a good thing they're shy. Their venom works as a hemotoxin, which disables blood clotting. Put another way, their victims will slowly die while bleeding out from every pore in their body, enough to give you a bloody nightmare. Number 16, Oleander. It's a small, visually pleasing plant with its flowers available in a wide variety of colors. This plant is also known for its high level of toxicity. One single leaf consumed by a child is enough to prove fatal. Effects experienced by ingesting this plant include seizures, suicidal depression, irregular heartbeat, coma, and death. Number 15, Inland TAIPAN. If there's a prize for world's most venomous snake, this reptile from Australia could claim it. Its venom is up to 400 times more powerful than that of a common cobra. 100 adult humans can be killed from just a single bite from this snake. The venom is so fast-acting, causing death within 45 minutes. The good news is that the snake is quite shy, and no human fatalities have been documented. Number 14, Hemlock. Now, it might be best known as a means of execution in ancient Greece, with its most famous victim being, of course, the philosopher Socrates. Even small amounts of the plant's toxin, called quinine, will result in ascending muscular paralysis. It usually starts in the victim's legs, working its way up the body until reaching the respiratory muscles and resulting in death. All it takes is 6 to 8 leaves, or a smaller dose of roots or seeds. Number 13, Marbled Cone Snail. Very pretty, but looks can be deceiving. These creatures favor warm, saltwater environments, so should you see one, don't pick it up. One drop of this snail's venom is powerful enough to kill more than 20 humans. Number 12, Azalea. Found in gardens all over the world, azaleas are popular for its brilliant flowers, ranging in color from deep pink to purple, blue, and orange. But all parts of the plant are highly toxic and can be fatal if eaten. Symptoms from consuming the plant can include depression, vomiting, diarrhea, progressive paralysis of arms and legs, and coma, which usually leads to death. The azalea doesn't look so attractive now, right? Number 11, the stonefish. It won't win any beauty contests, but this fish has often won the title of world's most venomous fish. Its painful sting can cause shock, paralysis, and tissue death. Without medical attention, the sting will become fatal to humans within just a few hours. Number 10, rosary pea. They got the name because they were used as rosary beads, but there's nothing pious about this plant. The seeds contain one of the most powerful toxins on earth, a brin, which is fatal to humans even in small quantities. Used in jewelry worldwide, there are reports of jewelry makers having died from a mere finger prick while handling a rosary bead. Number 9. Black widow spider. Almost everyone knows about this iconic spider thanks to its distinctive red markings and its round abdomen. This arachnid is regarded as the most venomous spider in North America, with its venom estimated at 15 times as toxic as that of a rattlesnake. Number 8. Death cap mushroom. Here's the mushroom most responsible for a majority of human deaths, both on purpose and accidental. Its primary toxin causes damage to the liver and kidneys, which is irreversible. Only 1 ounce, or half a mushroom, is enough to kill an adult. And unlike some mushrooms, the death cap retains its full toxicity whether the fungus is dried, cooked, or frozen. Certainly nothing magical about this mushroom. Number 7. The Brazilian wandering spider, also called a banana spider. This creature once earned a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records for the most venomous spider. Thought to have the most powerful neurotoxic venom of any living spider, its bite can result in great pain and can also cause priapism. Some might call it a good news, bad news condition. Priapism causes uncomfortable erections lasting for many hours, but it leads to impotence. You think that's why they call it a banana spider? Number 6. Box jellyfish, a contender for the world's most venomous animal. This creature has racked up close to 6,000 deaths since 1954. Found in waters around Asia and Australia, the sting of this jellyfish is incredibly painful, and its venom attacks the nervous system, heart, and skin cells. Human victims often go into shock and die of heart failure before reaching shore. Unless treated immediately, there is virtually no chance of surviving the venomous sting of a box jellyfish. Number 5. Pufferfish, ranked just behind the golden poison dart frog as the world's most poisonous vertebrate. This fish carries a poison that paralyzes diaphragm muscles, resulting in suffocation. Victims usually die within 4 to 24 hours, and there is no known antidote. Still, that doesn't prevent this fish from being served as a delicacy in Korea and Japan. But the fish has to be prepared by licensed chefs, as the skin and certain organs are hazardous to human health. A meal of pufferfish might be your last supper. Number 4. The castor oil plant. These plants can be found all over the world in houses and gardens, yet the seeds are highly dangerous. How dangerous? Well, it holds the title for world's most dangerous plant, courtesy of the Guinness Book of World Records. That's because the seeds are packed with resin, an extremely toxic chemical. 4 to 8 seeds constitutes a lethal dose. Ingesting the seeds can cause excruciating abdominal pain and bloody diarrhea within 3 days. If left untreated, death can occur within 3 to 5 days. Number 3. The blue-ringed octopus. About the size of a golf ball, this creature packs enough venom to kill 26 humans within minutes. It has a bite that's painless, but its deadly neurotoxins quickly result in numbness, respiratory shutdown, and death. And there is no antidote for their venom. No wonder this tiny terror is regarded as one of the most venomous animals in the world. Number 2. The king cobra. No doubt its fame precedes it. Growing over 18 feet in length, this is the world's longest venomous snake. A single bite from the king cobra is enough to easily kill a human. Even a full-grown Asian elephant can be killed by the cobra's venom if it is bitten in a more vulnerable spot like the trunk. Widespread across South and Southeast Asia, it's also known to eat other snakes. Number 1. The golden poison dart frog. This frog is quite possibly the most poisonous animal in the world. Found in the rainforests of Central and South America, it gained its name because indigenous Amerindians used the frog's toxins to poison the tips of their blow darts. And a little goes a long way. The frog's poison toxin is so lethal that only 2 micrograms are needed to kill 10 adult humans. 2 micrograms is the amount that sits on the head of a pin. Even touching this frog can be hazardous to your health because these animals keep their poison in their skin. See you next week on Toxic Tuesdays.